In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. We'll walk through this from start to finish so that by the end, you'll have a simple booking page that other people can use to reserve time with you, without all the back and forth emails. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. You'll see your calendar view, which might be set to day, week, or month. Any of those views will work, so don't worry too much about that. What we need is the Create button, usually found on the left side near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Create. When you click Create, a small menu will appear with different options like Event and Task and so on. From that list, choose the option that says Create Appointment Schedule. This is different from a normal calendar event. A regular event blocks time just for you, but an appointment schedule lets other people pick specific time slots that you've made available. So make sure you select the Appointment Schedule option. After clicking that, a new panel or window will open where you can set up your schedule. Here, you'll want to type in your details. Start by giving your appointment schedule a clear title, something that tells people what the meeting is for, like consultation call or office hours. This title is what your guests will see when they book. Next, choose the date range and days of the week when you want to offer appointments, and set the start and end times for each day. You can also define the length of each appointment slot, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes, depending on what works for you. Take a moment to make sure the time zone is correct, especially if you work with people in different locations. You may see additional options like setting buffer times between meetings, limiting how far in advance someone can book, or adding a description with instructions or a meeting link. These details help manage expectations and reduce confusion later. Once you're happy with all the details and your schedule looks right, go ahead and click Save. Google Calendar will create your appointment schedule and generate a booking page link. From there, you can share that link with others and they'll be able to choose a time from the slots you just set up.